Previously on Devil's Reign. After being elected as the new mayor of New York City, Wilson Fisk, also known as the crime lord Kingpin, has strategically gained more power. Fisk realizes his memory has been altered as he knew the secret identity of Daredevil. As a result, Fisk uses his power to outlaw vigilante activities. He also recruits a new team of supervillains called Thunderbolts that can capture any lawbreakers. With half of the Fantastic Four in prison and the other half on the run, Fisk has given over the Baxter Building headquarters to Otto Octavius. After gaining access to Richard's lab and his technology, Otto then employed a multiversal contact to summon variants of Dr. Octopus from other universes, forming an unstoppable team of Dr. Octopus called the Superior Four. Welcome to ComicsTube YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll review the chapter 1 of Devil's Reign Superior 4. So if you are new here, a sub to this channel would be highly appreciated, and also turn on all the notifications to never miss any future uploads. Please like, comment and share. All the text and images are owned by its respected company. You can support them by purchasing it digitally or from any offline stores. The issue opens up with Otto Octavius and his other multiversal variants' childhood, where they got abused and tortured by their parents. Every young Otto Octavius suffered an abusive childhood at the hands of his father, who viewed his son as a shame and scandal to the family. By using the device of Reed Richards, Otto opens a dimensional gateway in the Baxter Building so he can travel into other realities. The bridge allows him to recruit a team of Ottos who are similar in terms of powers and looks, like Hulk, Ghost Rider and Wolverine. As the variants ask Otto why did he summon them, Otto tells them he made a deal with the devil to return to his best self. But in that incident, all his progress lost. That's why he summoned the other three variants to get his revenge. In Superior Spider-Man storyline, Otto made his deal with Mephisto. Because Spider-Norman, an alternate version of Norman Osborn, leaked his true identity to the public and kidnapped an innocent child. To save the dying child, Otto made a deal with Mephisto. He offered to return Otto to his old body, which also meant that Otto would also lose any traces of Peter Parker's mind. Regardless of the cost, Otto made the deal and gave up his role as Spider-Man, throwing away years of progress to become a villain once more. To find the missing portions of his memory, Otto seeks out to his variants in a desperate attempt to regain his mind. Their mission is to make contact with every Otto Octavius to create a council of Ox and control everything. By using the multiversal bridge, the Superior Four enters into the Earth 5069, where the whole world are covered in gamma radiation. As the team searches the traces of this world's Otto, they get confronted by Iron Scab, a hero with similar looks to Iron Man. And the 4 vs 1 battle royale begins in the land of gamma radiation. Even though Iron Scab fails to recognize Doc Ock, he is familiar with other variants of Otto, who are the Hulk, Ghost Rider and Wolverine of their respective worlds. Otto finds out that Iron Scab can't identify him because in this reality, Otto Octavius did not exist. As a result, Otto orders his team to kill him. But in that process, Otto Octavius lost his connection with his arms, and Otto Ghost Rider tells him that this was magic, which causes his arms become inactive. There is no way to make it right. Mephisto always wins. Then Doc Ock uses the breach to track every Auto Octavius variant and come to one conclusion: the failed state of his supremacy can be corrected. And as a result, the device lead him and his team to Earth 2902, the root of his humiliation. The team starts to find the trace of this world's Auto, and as a result, they get confronted by Superior Spider-Man, also known as TJ, who protects Freshwater City from the criminals. Without wasting any time, the Superior Four quickly jump on him and starts to attack. While they cornered him and beats him to the ground, TJ tells them, despite of his father's abusive nature, he decided at a young age he would prove his superiority by helping this city. He tries to get the Superior Four to see the goodness within themselves. He believes Otto Octavius could be a great man if he leaves his ego. Unfortunately, Otto is not interested in being the better person. As a result, he places a synthetic parasitic device on his head, which absorbs TJ's intellect into his own mind. He kills the Superior Spider-Man. Then in the next panel we see Earth 7214, where Otto merges with both Doctor Doom and Doctor Strange, and he attacks the Atlantis and destroys it with a giant floods of ocean, which seems this universe's Atlantis is placed on land instead of ocean. He is waiting to declare war against the Auto Octavius of Earth 616, whose invincible tendrils spread through the multiverse. And as a result, the Supreme Octopus vows to end Otto's life to prove that he is the supreme variation of Auto Octavius. With the strange variant of Sorcerer Auto Octavius, the chapter 1 of Devil's Reign Superior 4 comes to a close. Which part you like the most? Please comment down below, and also please subscribe as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe and I'll see you guys in the next one.